Right-click the first sheet tab and select View Code. In the VBA editor, click the Toolbox icon. Left-click the List box item in the toolbox, and then left-click an empty space in the User Form 1 area. List box 1 is now located in the User Form 1 area. In the VBA editor, double-click the user form. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet and then the input mask. The formatted list box 1 list will be displayed in the mask.